Hello friends, you're most welcome in my YouTube channel Aviation Jagat. As you all know guys that before few days I make a video on lightning system, and in that video I explained everything about navigation light and anti-collision light. And in this video I will explain all about of landing light, taxi light and wing inspection light. Also I will explain here what is interior light, passenger cabin light, flight deck control, cabin lighting system. So friends, let's start video. But before starting video, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe and be a part of Aviation Jagat. Landing lights. Landing lights are installed in aircraft to illuminate runway during night landing. These lights are very powerful and are directed by a parabolic reflector at an angle, providing a maximum range of illumination. Landing lights of smaller aircraft are usually located midway on the leading edge of each wing or streamlined into the aircraft surface. Landing lights for larger transport category aircraft are usually located in the leading edge of the wing close to the fuselage. Each light may be controlled by a relay or it may be connected directly into electric circuit. A sealed beam halogen or high intensity xenon discharge lamp is used. Next one is taxi lights. Taxi lights are designed to provide illumination on the ground while taxiing or towing the aircraft to or from runway, taxi strip or in hangar. On aircraft with tricycle landing gear, either single or multiple lights are installed at non-steerable part of the nose landing gear. They are positioned at an oblique angle to the center line of the aircraft to provide illumination directly in the front of the aircraft and also some illumination to the right and left of the aircraft. Taxi lights are also mounted in the leading edge, often in same areas with a fixed landing light. Many small aircraft are not equipped with any type of taxi light but rely on the intermittent use of landing light to illuminate taxiing operation. Some large aircraft are equipped with alternate taxi light located on the lower surface of the aircraft aft of the nose radome. These lights operated by separate switch from main taxi light. Number 3 is here wing eyes inspection light, used to illuminate the leading edge of the wing to permit observation of icing. Usually controlled through a relay by an on-off toggle switch in the cockpit. Some wing inspection lights system may include or be supplemented by additional light, sometimes called Nestle light, that illuminate adjacent areas such as cowl flaps or the landing gear. Interior lights. White and red light settings are provided on flight deck. Interior light incorporate the use of both incandescent and fluorescent light that operate by AC or DC. Flight deck control cabin lighting. Fluorescent background light are used in flight deck. Normal lighting requirements are met using 28 volt AC power with key light position for part power and no power situation typically run off a 28 volt DC bus. On Boeing aircraft 115 volt AC is used for fluorescent lights. Second one is passenger cabin lights, a combination of incandescent and fluorescent light in overhead and window position provide general illumination. These normally use AC power. Next one is emergency lighting. Emergency lights are installed in the cabin to illuminate escape route for passenger during AC failure. Lightning strip in floor and exit light illuminate automatically when power lost. Emergency lights are used to illuminate the overwing area at the emergency exit and on escape lights. Automatic switching of certain emergency lights to hot DC battery bus in case of partial electrical failure. Now friends, I want to revise navigation light and anti-collision light. In navigation light, a set of position of light consists of one red, one green and one white light. On some aircraft, single lamp and double lamp used. The green light unit is always mounted at the exterior tip of right wing, red light at left wing tip and white light at vertical stabilizer. Position light, also known as navigation light. Traditionally, position light can use incandescent light bulb. LED light have been introduced on modern aircraft. Anti-collision lights. An anti-collision light system may consist of one or more lights. They are rotating beam lights that are usually installed on the top of the fuselage or tail. Large transport type aircraft use an anti-collision light on top and one bottom of the aircraft. It consists of one or two rotating lights operated by an electric motor red glass housing. The mirror rotates in an arc and result pulse rate in between 40 and 100 cycles per minute. Newer aircraft use a LED light. A white strobe light is a second type of anti-collision light that is also common, usually mounted at the wingtip and possibly at empennage. Strobe light produce an extremely bright intermittent flash of white light that is highly visible. So friends, now I hope that you all understood all about the lighting system of aircraft. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe, and if you are liking my videos, then do like. Thank you friends for watching videos.